We're about to tackle a simple question that once threatened to bring down all of mathematics.
All right, so let's dive in. It all starts with a really simple idea, the concept of a set.
So a set is just a collection of stuff. Seems pretty straightforward, right? Mathematicians thought so too. Most sets are what we call normal. They don't contain themselves. But some are abnormal because they do.
Then, in 1901, the philosopher Bertrand Russell thought up a very special kind of set. He came up with a set that's supposed to contain every set that doesn't contain itself. And that's where the question comes in, a total brain breaker. Does this set contain itself? Because if it does contain itself, it violates its own rule. But if it doesn't, it should be in. And that's a paradox, a logical impossibility that just broke the rules of mathematics. It's a lot like the famous barber paradox. Who shaves the barber? If he shaves himself, he shouldn't. So, why was this such a huge deal? Well, it pointed out a massive flaw in set theory. See, in logic, a single contradiction means you can prove anything is true, that 1 equals 2, anything. And this whole thing dropped right as a guy named Gottlob Frege was finishing his life's work. Frege literally had to add a note to his book admitting his entire foundation was now broken. So, to save math from collapsing, the rules just had to change, period. The solution was Zepf-C set theory. It put a big restriction on how you could even create a set. Under these new rules, you just can't form the Russell set. Problem totally avoided. So, in a way, Russell's paradox broke math, only to help us rebuild it stronger than ever. It makes you wonder, what other simple questions are just hiding out there waiting to break everything?